Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here 1998 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive, and this one is equipped with the 2.7 liter, right, the model 3RZ FE 4-cylinder engine, and I would like to enjoy with you, together with you, the quality of Toyota. This is just perfect example showing the quality of Toyota product. This is 22 years old truck, right? The engine has 173,000 miles on it. It runs the very ordinary 5W30, right? Engine oil, nothing special. And look at the condition. Look how clean everything is, and that's just the valve cover, right? No sludge, no problems like that. But let's go look on this engine, right? This is after we remove this valve cover. If I told you this engine was replaced recently and has only 10,000 miles, you will agree with me, because it looks brand new. Yet it really has 173,000 miles. I already checked a bunch of stuff, right? And it's just incredible the condition which it is in. Some people might say, hey, at this mileage I will be starting getting concerned about the timing chain, right? But look on the stretch, right? It will be stretch or wear. There's none. There's absolutely no stretch, no movement on this timing chain. It's incredible. Let me show you that little detail of that timing chain tensioner, right? It's down there. Pretty cute, isn't it? Now look at the sliders, right? Here on both sides the chain is running on the plastic sliders. It's made of plastic. They look absolutely brand new, like they were installed just a year ago. It's incredible. Let me show you a detail where that chain tensioner is entering the body, right? So it's right there. That's what we were just looking at. Somebody might say, hey, why you are so excited about it? Shouldn't it be like that after 22 years and 173,000 miles? Well, it should, sure, that's ideal, but I have experienced the opposite. When I was playing with different brands, I did a lot of about the Mercedes, right, and I owned so many. I had Volkswagens and so on. This is unheard of, right? On Mercedes, how many times these sliders, that plastic, fell into pieces and it plugged the oil passages and just create horrible damages, right? That will be Mercedes, for example. Volkswagen engines are famous, right, for either these cam lobes, they will get worn, or the other way, the lifters which are down there, right here, the cam lobes will actually make holes through those lifters, right? So if you experience all these problems on the engines which maybe had 110,000 miles, you work on it, you saw it, right? You saw these problems happening. When you open the engine like this, right, simple 4-cylinder engine which has 173,000 miles and it looks brand new to me, well, that's from where my excitement is coming. It's just absolutely unbelievable, and I want to show you that before I will take it apart. I try to find some nice angle for you so you can actually see it, how it's nicely working. I don't want to use the starter because there's a lot of disconnected stuff, including the battery. Look at that beauty, right? You always rotate these engines clockwise, right? It will be a mistake to try to rotate it the other way. Look at this. How all these cam lobes are nicely moving. Isn't this incredible? And the shape of this engine, this area, is just stunning. I love it. And I think this is perfect example, right? This engine. Why, if you ask somebody, hey, who do you think is the #1 car maker as a quality product, right? That's why most of people will say, hey, I think Toyota, right? They really made such a great products in the past, right? That the reputation, it's that they are the best, they are the #1. And I better get back to that job, otherwise it never will be done if I just keep filming and filming for you. So thanks for watching and be subscribed. I know if I will see something interesting, I will stop and film it for you again. See you later, my friend.